Hello everyone, it's me Lisa, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to solve the problem of your speaker making a popping sound on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing what I want you to do is you want to clean your speakers, because this is the first and foremost way in which you can ensure that the popping sound does not come on your speakerphone. So it's important to clean it to help prevent the crackling. iPhone speakers can use a small brush or toothbrush to gently remove any dirt or debris that may have accumulated. This can help to improve the sound quality and also prevent popping noises. The second solution is to restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, just click on your power button and your top volume button, and then you'll see slide to power off. After you slide to power off, then you can restart your phone again. The third method that I want you to do is please auto update your iPhone. So go to settings, then you can click on general, and here you can see on software update. If your software has not been updated, then please update it. As you can see here, then mine needs to be updated, so I'll update now or update tonight and keep the automatic updates on. So these are the quick and easy three methods to ensure that your iPhone doesn't have this crackling or popping sound from your speaker. So guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's me, Elise, signing off. Thank you for watching.